I'm Carrie with Schmidt's Music, and this video is to go over the assembly of the percussion kit. Whenever you join the percussion section, you will learn a bunch of different instruments that are divided into two groups. The melodic instruments, like vibraphone, marimba, xylophone, chimes, and the glockenspiel, which is also known as the bells, like the ones included in your kit. And the rhythmic instruments, like the snare drum, bass drum, cymbals, timpani, and triangle. However, when you're just starting out, your band director will ask you to get something called a percussion kit that has bells and a practice pad, so you can practice both melodic and rhythmic sides of the percussion section. The base of the stand has the wide rubber feet, and when you loosen the wing nut and insert the top of the stand and tighten it the appropriate height, you're ready to attach the bells. If you look at the bottom of the bells, you'll notice the hole in the metal frame that fits the top of the stand. Adjust the top of the stand to cradle the bells with the top wing nut, and you're ready to go. To attach the practice pad, simply lift off the bells and secure them back in the case, and twist the practice pad onto the stand and adjust the height as needed. Some schools ask for a drum and bell kit, which is exactly like the percussion kit, except it has a small snare drum. It will use the same bass, but it has a different cradle. Once the cradle is secured into the stand base, you'll use this knob to tighten the cradle around the drum until it is secure. Both of these kits come with an option for a rolling bag for ease of transportation, but whichever one you have, I bet you'll be an expert in no time. If you need additional supplies, don't forget we do free delivery to your child's school, or feel free to come visit us in beautiful downtown Pensacola. Thank you and happy practicing.